Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Gautam Kumar. Today I am share some job update with you. Before that, please like this video, share this video with your friend, and please subscribe my channel. And if you think if you if you are interested to connect with me, please connect with me. This is my LinkedIn ID and this is job update Telegram group. I have both link. I will provide you in a description box. Please check it and connect with me accordingly. Let's share. I have first job. Our first job from ZOHO. ZOHO ZOHO is hiring for technical support engineer, and location is Tamil Nadu. And this is your job description. And if you are interested for this role, please click here. I am interested, and you fill all the detail. And for for this job role, location is Chennai, Coimbatore, Thiruvananthapuram, and Madurai. Basically, Tamil Nadu region. Our next job from Microsoft. Microsoft is hiring for research intern, and and how to apply this job. You simply click apply, and you fill all the details. And this is your roles and responsibility here. And our next job is for data analyst intern from ground truth. Ground truth is company name, and experience need is 0 here, and salary is not disclosed here. Location is Kolkata, Hyderabad, Pune, Ahmedabad, Chennai, Bengaluru, Delhi, NCR, and Mumbai, all area. This is your job highlight, and this is your job description, and a skill required: SQL, basic Python. And how to apply this job. You have simply click apply, and you fill the detail. Before that, qualification required we take engineer, computer science engineer. Other department are also welcome. And pass out year need 2023 and 2024 only. Our next job is for deal advisory investment banking analyst from KPMG, and experience need 0 to 1 year of experience you need, and company is KPMG, and location is Gurugram. And this is job highlight, and this is your job description. And technology need, you must key a skill need like analytical, financial statement, data analysis, Excel, investment banking, financial analysis. How to apply this job? You have simply click here apply, and you fill the detail. Our next job from from cyber PWN. The cyber PWN is hiring for software developer intern role, and location is Bengaluru, Karnataka. And experience need 0 to 2 year of experience need, and salary is not disclosed here also. And this is your job description, like knowledge on cloud computing, SQL query, good knowledge of OOPS, and job role is cyber security. And how to apply this job? You have simply click apply now, and you fill the detail. Our next job is from talent destination. Talent destination is hiring for database administrator DBA, and location is Noida, Uttar Pradesh. And experience need 0 to 5 year of experience in need here, and salary is not disclosed here also. And this is your job description, and role is database administrator, means DBA. And this is data warehousing also. And education qualification required BTech and in any specialization. How to apply this job? You simply click apply now, apply, and you fill the detail. Our next job from Amazon. Amazon is hiring for testing associate. This is your job description, and location is Chennai, Tamil Nadu. This is your basic qualification. How to apply the job? You simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Before that, before that, thank you for watching this video, guys. Thank you.